Now let's ride with Jorge Chavez and Monarchos the entire way in the Kentucky Derby, sort of breaking a little sideways, not uncommon, and no real problems. Number 16 in the gold and blue colors of the Oxleys, and getting away cleanly as Chavez places the stretch running colt in the proper position. Going along easily, as you see, and really clear by himself there as they go by the finish line the first time and into the turn. Dollar Bill just behind him to the outside, but Monarchos clear sailing at this point as Chavez has yet to ask him for any run. And moving up on his inside, Arctic Boy goes up to go head and head with Monarchos, who doesn't seem to be bothered by it, tends to his business in a relaxed mode. Now about midway down the back stretch, where Monarchos made that giant move to win the Florida Derby, is where Chavez starts to pump and changes his goggles right there, gets his whip out, and now he is beginning to ride in earnest. Gives Monarchos a little tap to wake him up, and look at him accelerate as he moves inside two horses, inside again on the rail, the ground-saving trip from Chavez, and he has Monarchos in full gear right here. Monarchos picking up horses right and left. He goes by Keats, who's fading. And next he has dead aim on number 4, Thunder Blitz. And in front of him, Balto Star, as the speed horses are dropping back. And Monarchos gets a tap again from Chavez, who puts him on the outside, out in the middle of the track to keep him out of trouble. Here's Point Given looming now just to his inside. Chavez comes over right there, is where the objection occurred, but you can see that Invisible Ink really was not impeded, as Monarchos was clear as he went by. Chavez having switched the whip to his left hand, now drives to the finish line. They call him Chop Chop because of his whip work. He doesn't need it here, though. Monarchos home free in the Derby.
Woo, baby!